Every morning starts exactly the same way. You open your laptop, ready to focus on your main projects, and there it is, a wall of unread emails.
Some are quick questions, others are complex requests, but they all demand your time. According to recent workplace studies, the average office worker spends up to 28% of their day just reading and writing emails. That is over 2 hours every single day spent typing, backspacing, and overthinking simple messages. It's exhausting, and it keeps you from doing the work that actually moves your career forward.
But it doesn't have to be that way. You don't need to be an AI engineer to fix this.
You just need a systematic way to delegate the heavy lifting to tools you already have access to, like ChatGPT or Gemini. Any ideas, ask GPT.
Now, most people use AI the wrong way.
Stop prompting and start co-piloting.
They open ChatGPT and type something incredibly vague, like, write an email to my manager saying the project is late. Let's look at what happens when you do that. The AI generates a wall of text filled with overly formal language, cliché corporate buzzwords, and sentences like, I hope this email finds you well in these unprecedented times. It sounds robotic. It sounds disingenuous.
And your manager will instantly know you didn't write it. To get a clean, professional output, you need to provide structure.
You need to give the AI context, a specific role, and clear constraints. Let's break down exactly how to do that using a real office scenario.
Let's look at a common scenario. Your stakeholder, Sarah, sent an email asking for an urgent update on the new regional marketing report. The reality is, the database crashed yesterday, the data formatting is messy, and the report will be 2 days late. You have the raw facts, but you don't have the energy to figure out how to phrase this bad news professionally.
Instead of staring at a blank screen for 20 minutes, we are going to use the CRC framework: context, role, and constraints. Watch how we set this up in ChatGPT.
We tell the AI, you are a professional corporate communicator. I am updating a stakeholder, Sarah, about a 2-day delay on the marketing report due to a temporary database issue. Keep the tone calm, direct, and collaborative. Do not use corporate clichés or flowery introductions. Keep it under 4 sentences. Let's hit enter and see what happens. Look at this result. Hi, Sarah. I wanted to let you know that the marketing report will be delayed by 2 days due to a temporary database issue that affected our access to the required data. The issue has been resolved, and we're working through the backlog now. I'll keep you updated, and we'll share the report as soon as it's ready. This is excellent. It took 5 seconds to generate. It's polite, it explains the problem without sounding defensive, and it clearly sets expectations. By giving the AI strict boundaries, we prevented it from writing a long-winded, suspicious apology. It sounds like a capable, clear-headed professional wrote it. But before you copy this text, paste it into Outlook, and hit send, you must perform a human safety check.
This is the step you can never skip. AI models are pattern predictors, not human colleagues. They do not understand office politics, and they don't know your specific workplace relationships.
Always check for 3 things. First, accuracy. Did the AI accurately reflect the timeline? Don't let it promise a deadline you can't hit. Second, tone alignment. Does this email sound like you? If you never use the word regards in real life, change it to your usual sign-off. Consistency builds trust. Third, policy and privacy. Never paste confidential company data, client names, or proprietary code into public AI models. Keep your inputs high-level and generic to protect your company's data privacy.
Treat the AI as your drafting assistant. But remember that you are the editor-in-chief. Your name is on the from line.
Once you review and tweak the text, copy it over and send it. You've just handled a difficult, potentially stressful email update in less than 2 minutes total.
This will only take 2 minutes.
If you apply this framework to just 5 emails a day, you will easily save 30 minutes every single afternoon.
That is time you can spend focusing on deep work, preparing for important presentations, or simply leaving the office on time without feeling buried under an endless mountain of administrative work. AI shouldn't replace your voice. It should remove your friction.
If you found this framework helpful, subscribe to DeskSideAI. Every week, we share practical, non-hypey workflows to help you manage your daily office tasks efficiently.
Let me know in the comments below what type of email you find hardest to write, and we might build a prompt template for it in the next video.
See you in the next one.